Let us have a beginning and introduction with the ERP procurement module. At the beginning, we can check with the masters. Masters is coming under inventory category. Go for the masters option. There we can see the supplier master, group master is there, and everything related with the supplier master. Check, we can start with the supplier master. The supplier master is the one we are adding the supplier's details over the column. There are two predefined groups at the moment. One is the account payable suppliers that we are using generally, and the next is account payable subcontractors. For creating a subcontractor, we should take the group as account payable subcontractor, and for adding a normal supplier, it should be added to the account payable supplier category, that group. If a particular supplier has already added to the system, if it is available in our database, check in the way, just select the account name and type the supplier's details, at least any one of the word from that string. We can check with Steven Rock, just type with Steven, then Steven Rock is available. On clicking over the Steven Rock, we can see the details of the supplier. Their account name will be here, and it will be trade and other payables, and their address is there, contact person, all the other details are mentioned over the contact details. Just save it over. In order to add a new supplier, just check the beginning of the letter, like if it is alpha or accord state, take it as A, and if it start with B, just take the option of B. Okay, let it be accord state, already the supplier is there, but in order to add a supplier that starts with A, take the option of A and select, then a new page will come over the right side where we have to add all the supplier details. Their account name should be created on the account name, and the category should be inactivated as trade and other payables, so that accounts and purchase can be linked together with the option. Their address and location details should be added over the address column. Their post box number and their street name, everything can be added over address column, and over the telephone number, their landline should be added. Fax number can be mentioned here. The email reference for the company can be added, and the contact person to whom we are going to deal with or we are using with, and their designation with that company, and his mobile number and website address can be added here. Over the territory column, we can just select the option of whether it is in Ras Al Khaimah or Sharjah, which territory it comes under, and the country. These columns are mandatory. Country means whether it is in KSA or it is in UAE, it can be selected over this column. If it is in UAE itself, United Arab Emirates is here, like that. And the remarks column, for the future reference, we can add the details as what are the items this particular supplier dealing with, whether it's an office stationery item or it's an aggregate supplier or it is an equipment supplier, whatever it is, can give a short note on the remarks column. And the credit limit, under this category we can add the details like how many days the credit facility it is provided with, how many days credit we are enjoying with a particular supplier, that can be added over here. Select the option which all companies are getting this credit from the supplier. Normally all companies are having the same credit. Sometimes the supplier will be the account will be opened for some companies only, like Ready Mix, Road Division, and for machinery, etc. In that case, we can select the company and give the credit period as 60 days or 30 days, whatever the supplier has granted to us. It can be added over the credit limit. And the contact details, if we have more person available with the supplier and their mobile number and email address, we have to keep it in our memory, we can add it over this option as contact details. For creating new rows, we should add insert column, so that the next rows will be created. And after finishing all the details, just go to the save column and it can be saved. That all about the supplier master. And the next we have to check with the unit master. Unit master is something we have predefined units The general units should be mentioned here. Bags are there, box are there, and the main thing is the unit of measurement. Normally we are selecting the least unit as the preliminary one. The smallest unit should be defined as the basic unit of measurement. If an item is coming in numbers as well as in packets, we should use the numbers as the unit of measurement, and the packet should come as a secondary option, as a secondary unit. And that about the supplier master. And the next is material master.